that awesome loading screen that looks somewhat subpar nowadays. And yet it's still better than most loading screens we have nowadays.
Yeah, that's true.
Which
half of it's just a blank thing with a thing in the corner. Or I mean a blank screen with this little loading icon in the corner.
I think Skyrim did something.
Yeah.
Hey, here's something about lore.
And then you always get the same page like 19 times before you get a new one.
Okay, whose turn is it?
Hi there, Fuzzball. That's a real beauty.
I forgot whose turn it was.
I don't know. I think it's probably your turn. Let's just go with that.
Okay.
Because I tend to get all the water levels, so if it's not a water level, we're pretty sure it's you.
Alright, and we're still saving up for the 3 more health.
Yep, which was what, 30,000 volts?
Yep.
Whee! Like, can you continue the game without upgrading like that? The jetpack?
Nope, remember we had to get that one stopped.
Oh, yeah, What happens if we weren't ready? Would we just have to turn around and, like, go and get a bunch of bolts?
Yeah, we would just have to go and farm bolts.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's always fun. Oh, yeah, that's right. Blaster them all.
With single bullets.
Bolt. 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 Bolt.
Bolts.
Technically, they're not all bolts, though. Some are
Washers.
nuts. Washer would be the little flat thing.
Yeah.
I didn't really see any of those. Aw, you lost a life for doing that.
Okay, so...
Oh. And...
Okay, what am I doing here?
I think you're supposed to go to the right. You're supposed to go to...
That's a dead end. What's some boxes?
And a life. Wait, we got an item or something that can power down those walls?
No, we don't. Not that I'm aware of.
What's that green thing right there?
That's just on the floor.
Okay. Does he go over here?
That's where we came from.
Oh. Oh, over here.
Yeah. I keep forgetting, it's triangle to go back, not circle.
Was there like a
Yeah, so we're gonna double check to see if there's a...
trespasser thing?
I don't see a trespasser thing.
Maybe you gotta use the little thingy up there. Really?
Oh, okay. That was blatantly obvious.
Nice. We just gotta farm forever and continue the story.
Yep, just farm. Not like the later games at all.
That's okay. Some people like to farm and grind and dance. So I'm guessing you gotta back up and shoot that one missile, I guess. Devastator missile. Because will that go that far?
No, the Devastator won't go that far, but the Visibomb should.
Woo!
Yes, we have a stupid ass song partway through it. That's, from what I could tell, picked up like few words at best.
Yeah.
Yes. Wasn't that the best part? When all the song said was repeat stuff, repeat stuff, repeat stuff. Holy crap!
Oh yeah. What's happening? Why are you shooting like acid bullets at you?
So do I just Okay, he's invincible. We have to find a way to avoid him. On the upside, he apparently cannot aim up.
What an idiot. Don't you think that's just like a very, very dumb militaristic... Like,
A big flaw.
yeah, like, how did that ever pass? Like, what general and... what do you want to call him?
Colonel?
No, like... Whoever signs off on the military, like, prototype and shit, like, okay, yes, we are gonna purchase this from you. Who was like, this is such a great militaristic advantage, we can't point up. But yes, it is crazy.
Hey Josh, it's another one!
Another guy that can't aim up?
Yeah, and look what's immediately next to me. Stairs.
Wow. That's terrible.
And the stairway goes immediately behind him. Although there is one thing I don't get.
What's that?
Why do we have robot birds here?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. I thought that was worse or something.
I like. Oh god, not. At least it's. I don't think this one's as bad as the last one. Maybe you gotta move. Oh. Yeah.
Damn it. Hate these puzzles.
I know. They're so dumb.
There we go.
Yay!
At least in later games, rather than being puzzles, they're just mini games.
Oh, okay. I mean, I'm all cool with puzzles. I like them, but I just don't like taking forever on them.
Okay. Now comes the question on how do I deal with this one? I think I got an idea. Oh, there's stairs immediately behind him. Or downstairs that I couldn't see. You can go.
Hit 'em.
Yeah. Oh, slow down.
Where are you at?
I don't know. I'm lost, but at least I know now that there's stairs right there.
And you can't aim down either.
Granted, there's at least something physically blocking. Yeah, Zach told me one of the skill points we can get in this game.
About what?
One of the skill points we can get in this game for later on.
Oh, yeah?
I'll tell you when we get there later and we can decide if we want to do it or not.
Okay.
Because it is a bit plot related.
Oh, okay.
But why do we have robot pterodactyl bird things here?
I don't know.
What purpose do they even serve?
An enemy, I guess?
Oh. I thought you were.
Okay.
Oh, hey, what's the green button? Maybe you got a wall jump?
I already tried shooting it, but
Did you wall jump?
it's too far. But there it is. So now it's the part that almost seems like we need the Visibomb to beat.
Oh, Devastator, that thing.
Oh shit, that thing has range. I thought I was hitting an invisible wall.
Oh, Snoopy.
Yeah. At least I'm used to the inverted controls of that thing.
Yeah, I know, right? When we first started, right to the ground. Life!
Mr. Scaly Pants is dancing!
Again. But not for long. He doesn't like being there! He wants to be somewhere else! He likes being on the Dunkin' Donut box. I told you!
No, it's because I moved here.
And you stop him from dancing and then he continues. Oh, what's that thing? Oh, just acid bombs?
Yeah, there are 2 more of those planes outside. And I was outside of the range of the Devastator does go all the way.
Yes.
He's dancing.
So, okay, so I got a question then.
Oh!
Why does that hurt?
I don't know, like, it didn't even hit me with anything. But I figured if you weren't looking, maybe you'd feel sympathetic.
Why would I feel sympathetic?
Because I was smashed with the Dunkin' Donuts box.
An empty box.
Yes.
There was not donuts.
Exactly.
Donuts I think would be delicious if I was to be able to eat them.
Hey, if it wasn't for me, you would have got one. So you should be thanking me, sir.
Thanking you that I got a day old donut that...
Yes. It doesn't matter how old it is, there could have been mold on it, but damn it, you should have been thanking me. So I could have ate it. Oh, what's flying up there?
More of those
Pterodactyl.
pterodactyl robot birds.
Oh, swing shot onto him. What?
Wow.
Good shooting, Tex.
One goes down.
Oh.
What the?
What? They remind me of the ass blasters
What?
from Tremors.
Okay, I have not seen Tremors.
I think it's Tremors 3. I don't remember which one of them. Oh,
Those little ass blasters?
that's what they're called.
Oh god.
Oh, hey, it's a water world, but with acid. Or goo.
At least they color code which ones are safe.
Yeah. Wait, what? They color coded the safe ones?
Yeah.
Guess I didn't realize.
Well, it's the only one that's not gray.
Oh, yeah. I see. Oh, swinger gun. No, not swinger like a person is a swinger. Like,
It's the Spider-Man glove.
yes.
It's what Taskmaster has.
Wee. Taskmaster.
Them skills.
Yes. Whoa.
Oh, these bolts. And they're barely worth a damn thing.
Whoa. Magnetic boots. That'd be scary as hell.
I'm out of here. Oh, okay.
What?
So, it only goes up to
Oh.
there.
Are you scared?
Yeah. Wouldn't you?
Oh. Yeah.
Especially if it's coming up to like right there where you could just touch it.
Yep. With your hand. Run!
Okay, for an evil lair, he sure does have a lot of stuff in here that can only be passed by stuff that you can get by stealing from his lesser bases.
Yep. Eh. Ooh. Can you do it? That's the question. Oh, what's that thing? A swinger?
Yeah, it's one of the slingshot spots. Oh, there's a spot right there.
What is it? Wait, what's that thing right? Oh, it's just a button or another thing. I thought that was
Is it-
something.
Yeah, just a decorative.
Yeah.
Okay, so I gotta time this, I guess.
Alrighty. Whee! And
Or not. I'll take it. Wouldn't you?
I guess. But there has to be a way to get across it without losing your health.
Probably would have gone like that.
Oh, okay. And elevator?
Isn't Clank cute? The little robot on my back.
Oh,
So he's not cute.
I guess not. I guess he's...
I'm gonna assume that that's all the way down. For some stupid reason.
Yeah, me too. What's that? What is popping?
Snap, crackle, pop.
Oh? Rice Krispie? I didn't know that they were out of jail. Those crazy Rice Krispie brothers.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Okay, I'm gonna assume this is a checkpoint, so there's a store here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, snap.
I'm gonna...
Buttons?
It's behind it.
Oh.
Again, it's one of these things.
Yeah.
Yeah, this freaking requires the Visibomb. So I'm glad that you chose to buy it.
Thank you.
So you didn't have to buy it, didn't buy it later.
I knew my random deciding to buy things without
Reason?
Yes, would come in handy.
At least other games don't suffer from this.
That's true. What the? Why is it there? Is it a low gravity area?
If it is, why is it not affecting us?
Maybe we're so heavy?
Actually, that does beg the question. How does this place have gravity? We're in a space station that is open space?
Yes.
Oh god, there's no way I'm going through there.
Spaghettios!
Yay!
Are gross.
What is wrong with you?
Now the whole world will kill me. I like Spaghettios. I just chose to say I didn't like them because I'm insanely unhungry. Like, have you ever been so full, like, food just looks unappetizing, and you wanted to, like, never eat again? Oh.
I can't do it, because that's blocking that.
Oh. Now let's sit here. Oh. Oh.
There we go.
That was easy.
Not like that one puzzle that took us, what, like 10 minutes?
Yeah. We just kept looking at it, looking at it.
So you're doing more of a blind let's play? Using
Well,
motions or anything?
While I played most of this game, we just finally got to the part where I don't know anything about it.
So, tiger. Quick secret. Which way do we need to go? What's that?
I feel like more of those pterodactyl robot thingies that seem to serve the station absolutely no purpose, aside from being birds.
Do you remember that one version of Gundam where they were like little mini things?
I think that was Gundam SD, and they weren't like piloted by people, they were just robots?
Yeah. That's what those little things remind me of. But like
Oh
a pterodactyl version.
And like, they try to make the Zaku's cute, so
Yeah.
they're like running around going, "You gotta stop him, Zaku!
Yeah. I remember. That was actually, I kind of like that show.
I remember that pissed off Zack so much.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because he liked Gundam, and it was like so different.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean,
I enjoyed it, mostly because I didn't really have much else to watch.
Yeah.
But that's personally.
Right. Well, I never.
Oh god!
Oh, nice. So, I would say, because I don't know how. There you go. Oh, there you go. Really? How much health do they got?
It takes 2 rockets.
Oh, okay. So I thought you hit that one on the left with 2, but I guess the one missed.
Yeah, I thought so too. Oh, no, it's sad.
What?
This open space station has actually got more room to look around in than most of the planets we've been to.
That is true.